Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Saintrine. Hi, welcome to another DIY. So in today's video, I'm going to be turning this two top into a crystal top. It's really simple and easy. So first thing, I have all these, I think they're called rhinestone crystals. No, it's crystal trim or rhinestone trim. I really don't know what they're called, but they're really pretty and shiny. I only had these amount left, so it's not like if I could just cover up the whole top, so I could only do the front. So that's what I did. They're so shiny. I love anything that shines. That's how it's looking. So actually, I did a video a while back where I turned this man's sweater into this really cute crystal dress. That's it right there. That's where I got all of the crystals from to make the top, the tube top. So the dress is really heavy and it's just been sitting in my closet. I have worn it a couple of times, but it's way too heavy. So I decided, why not turn it into something simple. I did not really show it, but all I did was use my hot glue gun and glue on all of the crystals, and that's basically all it is. The video was really easy. Just glue it on, or you can sew it on if you have time, but I was not feeling it. The hot glue gun just did it right then and there. So as you can see, that's how it's looking. Look at it shine. I only did the front, but it still looks good. It is a little bit heavy, but I tightened up the back of it so it wasn't falling off or anything. Yep. So that's basically the whole video. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys in my next DIY. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Mwah.